In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce the size of a PowerPoint file. If your presentation feels too big to email or takes forever to open, these quick adjustments on Windows will help you shrink it without rebuilding your slides. Start by compressing your images. In your presentation, double-click any image on a slide. This opens the Picture Format tab along the top of the PowerPoint window and reveals tools just for working with pictures. Look for the Compress Pictures button and click it. A pop-up window will appear with options that control how aggressively PowerPoint reduces image data. Before you apply anything, uncheck the box that says Apply only to this picture. Leaving that box unchecked tells PowerPoint to use the same compression settings for every image in your entire presentation, which is where the biggest savings come from. Next, select the Email 96 ppi option. This setting keeps your slides looking clear on most screens while dramatically reducing the size of embedded photos. Then click OK. PowerPoint will process the images and remove extra pixels you don't need, which can immediately cut the file size down, especially if you started with high-resolution photos from a camera or stock site. Now let's remove extra editing data that PowerPoint stores behind the scenes. Click the File tab to open the Backstage view, choose Options, then go to Advanced. Scroll to the Image Size and Quality section. Check the box labeled Discard Editing Data. PowerPoint keeps copies of original images in previous states, so you can revert edits. Discarding that data removes the hidden backups you're no longer using. This doesn't change how your slides look, it just trims the excess information that quietly bloats the file. Click OK to close the options window. Finally, click the Save icon. Saving writes these changes into the file so the compression and discarded editing data actually take effect. After saving, you should notice a noticeably smaller PowerPoint file that's faster to share, upload, and store. Those two adjustments, compressing all images to email quality and discarding editing data, are often enough to make even image-heavy decks much lighter. If you need the absolute smallest size, the 96 ppi option is the most compact. If you're presenting on very large displays, you can always revisit the Compress Pictures dialog and choose a higher PPI later. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster, slimmer PowerPoint files.